Welcome to my channel Quiz Craze. Here in this video I'm showing you 3 mind-blowing iPhone tips for you. Tips number 1. Backup can make a call or screenshot or any other action you just need. How to do it? Tap on setting first. Now tap on accessibility. Step 3. Tap on touch. Step 4. Scroll down to the end and tap on back tap. Now step 5. Tap on double tap or triple tap, whatever you like. Step number 6. Tap any action from the list you want to assign. Now double tap or triple tap whatever you selected on the back of your phone and you can see the assigned task is running. Tips number 2. Change the Safari browser's search bar position at the top instead of bottom. How to do it? Tap on setting first. Tap on app. Now tap on Safari. Here you can find 2 options, tab bar and single tap. Just select single tap. Now you can see Safari has search bar on the top. Tips number 3. Do you have any private photo in your phone and you wanna save it in a hidden folder? Just follow the steps. How to do it? Tap on setting first. Now open photo app and choose the photo you want to hide. Now you can see 3 dots just on the top right corner and tap on it. Now tap on hide and boom, your photo is in hidden album right now. I have made a video of all those settings I have already discussed. Just watch the video until end. Now you can get back your hidden photo from the hidden album just under utilities in the photo app. Not only that, I tried to show you how to unhide all those hidden photos from the hidden album. Just keep watching. Now you can see all those hidden photos by using your Face ID. You can see this photo actually I have hidden. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get the videos like this. Thank you for watching until I